The Galaxy S25 series may have just launched, but Samsung isn't slowing down anytime soon. The second half of the year is shaping up to be just as exciting, with another massive Unpacked event expected to take place. And this time, all eyes will be on Samsung's next-generation foldable devices. One of the biggest updates we have right now is that Samsung has officially begun firmware development for the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Yes, the next iteration of Samsung's popular clamshell foldable is already in the works, and at the very least, the European variant's firmware is under development. While there's no confirmation yet, it's likely that firmware for other regions, as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 7, is also in progress. Now, when it comes to software, there's some speculation. Will the Galaxy Z Flip 7 launch with One UI 7 or One UI 7.1? While nothing is confirmed, if we look at Samsung's past release patterns, it's safe to assume that it will come with One UI 7.1. Samsung usually introduces at least a minor One UI upgrade with every new flagship, so we can expect some refinements and new features to be part of the package. That brings us to the big question. What can we expect from the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Based on early leaks and reports, it seems like Samsung may not make any major changes to the Flip series this year. While that might sound disappointing to some, Samsung is playing it smart. Foldable technology is still evolving, and instead of making drastic changes, the company seems to be refining and perfecting its existing formula. But that doesn't mean Samsung doesn't have big plans for 2025. In fact, quite the opposite. Apart from the foldables, Samsung is also working on the Galaxy S25 Edge, a device that could bring a fresh take on curved display designs. On top of that, the company is diving into the world of mixed reality with its upcoming XR headset. And let's not forget, Samsung teased a dual-hinge foldable phone at Unpacked in January. While it wasn't officially announced as a product, it's clear that Samsung is pushing boundaries when it comes to foldable innovation. Could we see a new category of foldables alongside the Flip 7 and Fold 7 this year? That remains to be seen, but it's definitely an exciting possibility. So what does all of this mean for the next Unpacked event? Well, even if the Galaxy Z Flip 7 sticks to a familiar design, the event itself could still be packed with surprises. Samsung has a history of keeping a few tricks up its sleeve, and with all the new developments happening behind the scenes, we could be in for some unexpected announcements. One of the biggest things to look out for is One UI 7 and how it will evolve for the foldable lineup. One UI 7 has already brought some exciting features, but with Samsung now integrating Galaxy AI into more of its devices, we might see some AI-powered enhancements specifically tailored for foldable phones. Imagine smarter multitasking, better app continuity, and even more AI-driven optimizations for the cover and main displays. At this point, all we know for sure is that Samsung has started working on the software for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which means development is moving forward. As we get closer to the next Unpacked event, more details will surface and we'll get a clearer picture of what Samsung has planned for its 2025 foldable series. So, what are your thoughts? Are you excited for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, or are you hoping Samsung will finally introduce something revolutionary, like the dual-hinge foldable? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned because we'll keep you updated on all the latest Samsung news. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Officially launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans! The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.